Hi. Are you planning to start your content writing business? This video is for you. You can earn $1,000 to $1,500 a month. In this video, I have explained step by step, so that you can get all info. Watch till the end. Brief summary of my content writing experience. I have been providing content writing services for years. I handle all my clients from home. My clients are from India, USA, UK, and Australia. I offer over 30 types of content. Moreover, I am not a content writer. In this video, I will share my experience. My earning from content writing. India. I earn 40,000 rupees from 3 clients. Most of them are hospitals and healthcare industries. USA. I earn 20 rupees to 30,000 from IT clients. I offer them IT content and case studies. UK. I earn 30,000 rupees from e-commerce clients. I offer product description and blog content. Total earning 1 lakh rupees, little over 1,500 United States dollars. First things first. You need company registration. PAN. Develop website and SEO your site. Clients ask for SMAPL. Write some content such as blog, article, press release, web content. Make sure your website should look impressive. Hiring writers. If you want to be success in this business, you must have good and reliable writers. I use Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter to hire writers. For India, I advertise in classified sites. Try to hire at least 20 to 30 writers. 'Cause some of them leave. Some demand more money. How to get clients. Run paid campaign including Google AdWords and Bing. Also, run paid campaign in Facebook. Do email marketing as well. How to deal with clients. If you are not strict on dealing part, you will lose business. When I say strict, it means having strong agreement. NDA. NMO. Take some advanced. Do not provide content just like that. Make your content locked, so that client cannot copy. How to deal with your writers. Like client agreement. You make an agreement for freelance writers as well. Give them target. Client retention is very tough. Your writers should deliver quality job on time. If not, you lose. You need content checking tools. In order to deliver quality job, you need some tools to ensure your content is original. You may buy Grammarly and Copyscape. Content writing cost. You can charge 40 paisa $0054 to 5 rupees $0 068 per word. You can also charge project basis. In order to get more order, offer some discount. Go for bulk content. How to make $1,500 a month. You need 10 to 15 clients to make $1,500. Nevertheless, question is how to get 15 clients. Run Google AdWords and Bing for 1 month. Try to get 100 leads. You can convert them to clients. If each client pays you $200 a month, you make $2,000 a month. Let's wrap up. Register your company. Build website. Hire writer. Run paid campaign. Get leads. Convert them. Do not hold back. Start your content writing business today. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it. Catch you in next video. Goodbye.